I was skeptical about this recipe, but I thought I would give it a try. I saw several online, but I made it my own. 2 pounds of chicken thighs, a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of Greek yogurt, a cup of Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of salt. Then I just combined everything in a bowl and made sure that all of the pieces of chicken were coated well with the mixture and kind of massaged it into the meat to make sure that everything was coated well. You can totally use any seasonings that you particularly like or that you have on hand. It's very, very, very flexible. I also melted 2 tablespoons of butter just to add a little flavor on top. Then I placed the chicken in a 9x13 dish, making sure to scrape up all of the marinade, covering any little bits that weren't covered. Then I took the melted butter and poured it over the top just for a little extra added flavor because butter is delicious and why not? That is some excellent flavor right there. Who doesn't love a little butter? And in the oven it goes at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Always check your oven to make sure that you have removed all of the pans that you have stored there. Clearly, I forgot. But that's okay. It was easy to remove. So now it's going in the oven, 450, in a preheated oven of 450 degrees for 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like fresh out of the oven. Nice and brown. It smells delicious, but now for the test. Is it going to actually be delicious? I'm scooping out some of that buttery goodness from the bottom of the pan. Oh my goodness, just look at that. If it's as good as it smells, we have a winner. It's tender, it's juicy. To say I was surprised is an understatement. I didn't expect it to be that tender or that juicy. Look at that beautiful color. Clearly it smells good. But will it taste good? We're about to find out. The moment of truth. To say I was surprised is an understatement. I was hopeful, but skeptical that it was actually going to be good. Clearly, it passed the test. You can taste the parm. You can taste the seasonings, the Greek yogurt, and the sour cream that I used. Get down. No, ma'am. Do not detract at all from the flavor. I'm not a fan really of either of those, so I was skeptical, but it's delicious. Definitely making these. These are so tender and juicy. I'm going to give these a 10 out of 10. I think I could have used just a little bit more seasoning, but the seasoning is good. Maybe it doesn't need any more seasoning. It's great the way it is. When you get the little bits of the parm, it does not need any more seasoning. The little clumps of Parmesan cheese with the yogurt sour cream mixture with the seasoning in there, it just holds that seasoning. And so when you get those little bits, definitely eat those. I was trying to not eat as much of that, but that's where the flavor's at. And it is fantastic. I will definitely make this again. So remember to pray over your food. Be kind to everyone you meet. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine down upon you and give you peace. In Jesus' holy name, amen. Goodbye, friends.